Okay, so we got a package and coffee. So this is something I bought at an online auction. It is a Nintendo product and it is claimed to be defective. I did pay a little bit more than I would have wished for this, but I really wanted it, so let's see if we can fix it. It's kind of expensive even if it was not broken. Let's see, here we go. Something. Should be a charger here too. Here we go. Someone maybe already can guess what this is. Well packaged. Give the seller that. Very well packaged. Here we go. It is a Nintendo GameBoy Advance SP in quite decent condition, to be honest. A lot better than I expected. So, seller claims it does not start, and when you plug in the charger, the light just flashes on and off. So let's try that first, but I can already probably see one thing that's wrong. Let's see if I can show it on camera. The battery door is bulging a little bit, so we probably have a bad battery. And if that's the only thing that's wrong with it, this video will be short. Because I already have a very beat up SP that's working perfectly, so I have spares to transfer over so we can make sure we find the fault. But let's plug in the charger to test what happens. So I'll make sure the charger works by plugging it into my working SP. Oh, focus there, yes. Oh, yeah. Give me 1 second. And as we can see there, it does charge perfectly. So let's get some coffee before we bring out the screwdrivers. Ah, yeah, Swedish coffee. So let's take a look at this again. It is in amazing condition and I haven't even cleaned it yet. But as we can see on the screen, it is probably an AGS 001. As the 101 is a darker screen with the backlight instead of the front light. That's a bummer, but yes, as there is no sticker, I didn't really know what I was buying. But let's start by bringing out some screwdrivers here. Yeah, this battery is bulging. Let's see if we can. It's not super bulging, but I can definitely feel it. So let's put that to the side. So should we just get the battery from the working SP and see if that brings life to this new SP for me. So this is probably a, no, it is an original, and this is starting to bulge as well. I really need to get new batteries. Oh, would you look at that? It works perfectly. It just needed a battery. So that is a win. Pretty boring video, but nonetheless, it is a working Nintendo Game Boy Advance SP. I think these are really nice consoles. They are so compact and still have a very tactile feel to the buttons, and you can actually hold it pretty well even with my big hands. So if you don't have a Game Boy Advance SP and you love the advanced games and the Game Boy games in general, pick one up. They aren't that expensive, but they are rising in prices, so pick one up before it's too late. So we'll be ordering new batteries for these, as both of them are bulging. So thank you so much for watching this short video of me drinking coffee and replacing a battery. But maybe you also learned something, so even if it's a short video, it could be valuable. If your charge light is just blinking when you plug in the charger, it's probably your battery. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye!